After 4 intense weeks of grueling food competition, at Fem Foodies, we finally have our top 6.
You are our top 6. And after this, there's only 1 week to go.
Each of you in these last 4 weeks have shown us a lot of your strong suits and some of your weaknesses. In the next 2 weeks, there's no opportunity for weaknesses.
Tarana went home because of one little mistake. She forgot to check her fish. For her one mistake, she paid the price of leaving the competition. You need to be very careful and very focused as you move ahead now.
Today, we also have a small surprise for you. Let me show you what it is. You ready? Meet Mr. Black Box.
Hello, ladies. I am the Black Box.
Mr. Black Box is the food Buddha for the week. He is going to give you these food blessings.
So ladies, today, the 6 of you will cook in pairs.
You 6 are the food icons of tomorrow. You make your own choices and stand by them.
Today, we will leave the choosing to you. Today, you will make your own pair in 10 minutes.
Girls, choose carefully because choice is your half chance. And anything can happen. From now on, anything can happen. Take a walk. Sit alone. Plan carefully. Don't be instinctive. Sometimes it's good to utilize the 10 minutes that you got. We'll be back in 10. Good luck.
No life. Like, we don't even have an option there.
I really want to do something Asian. I don't know if it's possible to do it, but it's coming from my heart today. Genuinely that I want to do it. And I know that her Asian flavors are also strong.
And I think these two can plate. And
yeah,
we two can't
need
plate.
to learn plating from them.
So
Thank you,
I'm
girls.
happy we work well together.
She has swad in her hand. My basic idea behind choosing her was I want someone who is calm. In this the situation we're gonna cook will be like 2 people working on that small food truck. Plus, she knows her vegetarian stuff very well.
She's really good with what she does with all her dishes, and we could, as a team, make a really nice dish because we both have good flavors, good taste. So we just want to give it the best.
I chose Ipsita because I think that she has a similar foundation in Asian food like I do, and today I'm really feeling Asian. Since I've come here, I've not been able to make anything Asian, and I'm feeling it today. Plus, she is really good at plating, and I think I could learn a thing or two from her.
I think plating hasn't been my strong suit yet, and she's brilliant at plating. Plus, we bring in 2 really different set of flavors that we understand. So I think when we put it together, it's just going to look like a very beautiful plate of food with a lot of love.
Wow, things have changed.
Very, very interesting. All right. Well, time to take the next step. Actually, the next few steps to take you to your gorgeous location, which is even more beautiful than last week's location for the task. You ready?
Yes, chefs.
All right, let's walk.
Let's go.
Awesome location, right?
Yes, chef.
All right, let's move on to the task.
In front of you, ladies, are 3 pantries. Each of the teams will get 3 minutes to visit the pantry and bring your stuff back to the trucks.
Each team has 90 minutes. However, your final cooking time will only be determined after your pantry pick. Have you guys understood?
Yes, chef.
Is it clear?
So it depends on how fast we pick or what we pick.
Each ingredient has a certain amount of time attached to it. Every time you select an ingredient, you lose time.
The more you select, the less time you have to cook. All right? But you want to be fast on your way back from the pantry because the team that comes back first to the starting position has an advantage. Well, ladies, this is it. Your 3 minutes for pantry pick begin now. Girls, 1 minute left, and the team that comes back first has an advantage. The team that comes back first has an advantage. And back to your position. Juhi, you have 20 seconds left. 10 seconds.
We have managed to pick up all our ingredients in that time.
And we think that we were the first one to enter the
Yes.
area. So there is an advantage and we don't know what advantage that will be. So we're looking forward for that.
The first one to return back was Akanksha and Megha. The second was Chitwan and Ipsita. And the last to have arrived was Juhi and Tanisha.
Juhi and Tanisha, you have lost 32 minutes from your pantry pick.
You have 58 minutes to cook.
Akanksha and Megha, you've done quite well. You lost 28 minutes.
You have 62 minutes to cook. Ipsita and Chitwan, you have set a new record. You've lost 40 minutes, which means you have 50 minutes to cook. "58, 62, 50. Are we ready?
Yes, chef.
Black box, please give us your food blessing.
Ladies, you people will not cook in pairs now. You will cook against each other. Thank you.